Today is Christmas. Christmas is a special holiday on December 25.
This is Santa Claus. He is a kind old man who brings presents to children. A reindeer is an animal with big antlers. Santa's sleigh is pulled by reindeer.
A sleigh is a special car for the snow. Santa's sleigh can fly.
An elf is a small helper. Elves help Santa make toys in his workshop.
The North Pole is a very cold place.
Many stories say Santa lives at the North Pole.
In winter, snow is white, cold ice that falls from the sky. A snowflake is one small piece of snow. Each snowflake has a special shape. We build a snowman. We make a person from snow. This is our Christmas tree. Whoa. We put it in the house and decorate it for Christmas. An ornament is a small decoration. We hang ornaments on the Christmas tree. We put a star on top of the tree. It is bright and gold. We hang Christmas lights. They shine in many colors at night. Tinsel is long and shiny. We put tinsel around the tree to make it sparkle. A wreath is a round decoration. We hang a wreath on the front door at Christmas. We hang a stocking by the fireplace. At night, Santa puts small gifts inside. This is a present or a gift. We use wrapping paper to cover the present. Then the gift is a surprise. I tie a ribbon around the present. It looks pretty. I put a bow on the top. Now the present looks special. A gingerbread cookie is a sweet cookie with spices. We eat it at Christmas. This gingerbread man is a cookie that looks like a small person. We build a gingerbread house. It is a house made of cookies and candy. We sit by the fireplace. The fire keeps us warm on a cold Christmas night. This is the chimney. In stories, Santa comes down the chimney to bring gifts. I drink hot chocolate. It is a warm, sweet chocolate drink. We eat Christmas dinner together. It is a big, special meal on Christmas. This is a turkey. Many families eat turkey for Christmas dinner. This is Christmas pudding. It is a rich dessert we eat after dinner. Eggnog is a sweet, creamy drink. Many people drink it at Christmas time.
A Christmas carol is a special Christmas song people sing together.
A bell makes a clear ding-dong sound. We use bells in Christmas songs and decorations. Holly is a plant with sharp green leaves and red berries. We use holly for Christmas decorations. This is mistletoe.
mistletoe. In some traditions, people kiss when they stand under the mistletoe. I send a Christmas card to my friends to say, Merry Christmas! An advent calendar has little doors. Each day before Christmas, I open one door and find a small surprise. Many children get a toy for Christmas, like a bear or a car. Santa carries a big sack. He keeps many presents inside it.
Santa has a list of children. He checks who is good and who is naughty.
If a child is naughty, they do bad things and do not listen. If a child is nice, they are kind and helpful. A nativity seal shows the story of baby Jesus at Christmas time. The manger is a small bed for animals' food. In the story, baby Jesus lies in a manger. An angel is a shining helper from heaven in many stories. Angels appear in the Christmas story. A shepherd takes care of sheep. In the Nativity story, shepherds visit babe Jesus. 3 wise men bring gifts to baby Jesus. They follow a bright star in the sky. Some people go to midnight mass. It is a special church service at midnight on Christmas Eve. This is a snow globe. When I shake it, small white pieces move like snow around the little scene inside.